My screen is visible. Ma'am, screen is visible.
Yes.
Okay. So those who are new to the community, when you will log into your TradingView ID, you will get a screen like this. Then we need to put our indicators, which access has been given to you. So go to the invite only and select superhero advance, superhero reversal, and superhero ADX. All three indicators you need to select, and after that you need to add volumes also. So go for the volume. So basically you need to put all these four indicators in the screen. Now first we will go with the superhero advance. So I am selecting this or hiding this superhero reversal indicator. So when we are going to use the superhero indicators, let me first do the setting part also. So when you will load the superhero indicators, you are getting setting somewhere like this. Are you getting screen like this only after loading the superhero indicators? Please be active. So we need to do some setting in these indicators. So go to this style portion, and first we need to change these shapes. In shapes, we need to select the flag, and we need to do above the bar. Then we need to highlight these AMA lines also. So I am already highlighted to thicker one, but in normal scenario, you will get line like this. So you need to convert it into the thicker one. Similar way, we need to convert this line also to the thicker one. And then we need to deselect the labels. And we need to select this as save as default. So now whenever you will load these indicators, the setting will be as default only. Up to here, anyone has any query or any doubt?
Sir, good evening, sir. Just
evening.
repeat the setting. You can repeat once, sir.
Okay. So when you will load these indicators, you will get indicators like this. Correct? You are getting like this. These green triangles are also below the bars, and blue is also below the bars, and you are seeing load many labels. Correct?
Okay.
Then you need to do some change in the setting. So first we need to change the shape. So for green, we need to put the flag sign, and it should be above the bar. Then we need to thicker the AMA lines like this. And then we need to deselect the labels. And after doing all these changes, save this as default. So whenever in future you will load these indicators, by default, it will load like this only. Clear up to here?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is what the indicators. Now how to trade using these indicators, or what will be our stop loss, or what will be the risk? Correct? So whenever we need to take trade, whenever stock price is just crossing above this AMA line, the thicker line. Are you getting this thicker line? This thicker green line, which is converting into the red from here. Are you getting this? Please be active. Are you getting this point?
Okay.
Okay. So whenever this stock price is cross above this AMA line and the line color is changed to green, we need to take position nearer to this AMA line. And our exit will be when this stock price is close below this AMA line and this line color is getting changed to red. So we took position here and we exited here. So we took position near 16 rupees and we exited at 18 rupees. So almost we make 10% of jump here. So whenever you are going to take position, remember this line will be your stop loss. So if I consider the current scenario, the last candle price is at 20 rupees 45 paisa, and our stop loss will be the last figure, which is coming here, 19 rupees 73 paisa. Just you need to bring your cursor to the end. So this last figure, 97 rupees, 19 rupees 73 paisa, will be your stop loss. So prior to taking any trade, you just need to think for your stop loss. If it is extended one, look for any other opportunity rather than running behind any stock. Anyone
Okay.
has any query up to here?
Sir, again, stop loss, how to arrive? Just can you repeat once?
Yeah. So stop loss will be this last figure. Are you getting this last figure, 19 rupees 73 paisa here? This last digit in the superhero advance.
Okay, okay.
So this
Understood.
last digit is your stop loss. So
19.7.
whenever you are loading this indicator into your chart, and if you are planning to take any position or any trade, just first look what is my stop loss. And I normally prefer to take stop loss less than 3% or max to max in best case 5%. If I am confident enough on the stock, then I prefer to go with 5% stop loss, but my first priority will be 3%, max to max 3%. Anyone has any doubt up to here?
Right, sir.
Anyone? Any query? So clear up to here, and the concept will be remain same. Whether if you are taking trade on hourly chart, stop loss will remain same on the hourly chart. If you are taking position using hourly chart, follow exit on hourly chart. Then don't change this concept to hourly to day chart. If you make a position on hourly chart, follow the hourly chart. If you take position on day chart, follow the day chart. If you see here, now on hourly chart risk has become very low. It's only 40 paisa risk. If you are planning to go for hourly chart, in hourly chart you will get multiple in and out. On daily chart you will have less number of in and out. But whatever time frame you are selecting while taking position, same has to be considered for the exit only. It should not be like that you are taking position on hourly chart and thinking for exit on daily chart. Then your profit making position could become loss making also. Clear up to here? Any doubt, any question? Please be active. All are become silent.
भूपेंद्र जी एक जो मैं समझा, मे बी सॉरी रिपीटेशन,
Yeah.
you said this line will become red and green, and if our closing point is much above the green line, so we need to check a stop loss. That means the price is extended, and when the closing is just touching the AMA line, we can take the position. If the closing is lower than AMA line, that means red color, we need to exit.
Yeah, we need to exit. Simple exit.
Okay.
If you took some example, like here, this red, though the candle is red, but this line color has become green. So we can take position here at this candle around 18 rupees, and our exit is trigger here at 19 rupees. So around we got 5%. In rupees, we may get only 1 rupees. But if we consider in percentage, it is the 5%. Again, it has given exit here, and again it has given entry here around 19 rupees 20 paisa, and given exit around 19 rupees 70 paisa. Again, we got 3% kind of return. So in hourly chart, you will get multiple in and out. But if you are able to sit in front of a screen and you can do the fast trading, or you want to do intraday trading, the hourly chart is best. I will not suggest to go for 15 minutes or 5 minute chart. But hourly chart is good enough if you want to play on the intraday, or it can be your intraday can become your positional trade. Yes, this Hindustan Aeronautical become for me like a positional trade. I took position on hourly chart, and then it has not given exit me for next 30%. So it put your hourly on hourly basis also you can get trade like this, but follow the principle on the which chart you are taking entry. The exit should be on the same chart. Clear, sir? Anyone has any doubt?
In this case, this lower trend are there, na? This is ADX and DI.
Yeah.
No need to look into. Not
Uh,
required, no?
no, some more parameters need to look into. We first discuss on this, the
Okay.
AMA line. Then what we need to look, this our GMMA green line should be above our GMMA red line. This another point to be checked. And in the similar way, this DI positive green line should be above DI negative red line. If you are getting crossing and the candle size is good enough, then you can take position in case when this green GMMA line below the red line. But then you must have crossing like this in DI positive and DI negative. Otherwise, wait till this GMMA green lines cross the GMMA red line and then only take position. But if you are getting position like this, when this DI positive and DI negative is getting crossed, in this particular case, you can take position, but your position should be 50% of your regular position. If this GMMA green line is below the GMMA red lines, your position should be 50% only. Remaining 50% you can add after crossing this line. So first we need to check the color of AMA line. Second point, we need to check this green GMMA line should be above the red GMMA line. And third, we need to check ADX, DI positive, means this green line of ADX and DI should above the red line. So this is three conditions we need to check prior to take any position. If you are taking position on hourly chart, then follow the hourly chart. Any more confusion or any doubt or any questions?
Sir, one basic question.
Yeah.
When we are trading on the day chart and we put the stop loss
Yeah.
for that day, the
Yeah.
stop loss will be continue for the.
Yeah. As this stock price will move up and up, this line will also move up and up, sir. So it is one kind of trailing stop loss. We need not to change our stop loss daily. This line will trail automatically according to the price of the stock. If you see here, we took position here. At that time, our stop loss was around 15 rupees 37 paisa. Next day, our stop loss become 15 rupees 60 paisa. Next day, our stop loss becomes 16 rupees 49 paisa. Next day, our stop loss becomes 17 rupees 36 paisa. So as the stock price is moving above, our stop loss is also trailing. It will not be remain the same what we have selected at the time of positioning.
So if we can change it, we have to change it if required stop loss.
No, we just need to put a alert. If you took position here on the day chart, you took position and just put a alert on your TradingView. When this stock price is close below this line, just give me alert. You simply exit.
Okay.
So
With stop
then
loss,
use the system.
automatically, sir, stop loss with given stop loss, it will automatically exit, na?
No, because we are not linked our system with TradingView. So we need to do the exit manually, but you will get alert. Now time has come to exit.
But Bhupendra ji, maybe some of the, I don't remember ICICI Direct, some of the portals, no, they give option of trailing loss, so you put a percentage.
Yeah, but
So,
it will be percentage, sir. If you are putting 5%, then you may lose more percentage, because here you may get stop loss in 3% or 1%. But if you are putting trailing stop loss of 3% or 5%, then you may lose big amount.
Then that is fine, but the maybe stop loss also can move automatically in the system.
Yeah.
If the system provide trailing stop loss, basically that is maybe I have done sometime,
Yeah.
but it is not comfortable. But stop loss also moving up as the share price goes up.
Yeah, that is possible. Some brokers are providing that facility. But we can put alert also, sir. We will get alert notification in our mobile, and we can exit position simply.
I agree. So alert with respect to AMA line.
Yeah, alert with respect to MLI. And again, once you exit the position and you are comfortable or confident, like I have some watch list where I used to play more. So I put some alert, like BSC is my one of the favorite stock. So whenever hourly chart stock price is closing above this MLI, I prefer to take position. So likewise, you can set alert like HL. I always used to keep this alert on hourly chart whenever, because I know whenever HL is giving move, it is giving 5 to 7% move within 2 days. So some stock I have selected and I used to play in those stocks frequently.
Hello.
So likewise, you can make a watch list of the stocks which are moving very fast, either 5 to 7% up or 5 to 7% down. So whenever they come into the uptrend, you can make position easily. So no need to go anywhere. Those 20, 50 stock is enough to trade frequently.
भूपेंद्र जी एक अलर्ट लगा के दिखाओ ना एक.
Okay. So like we will first we will put alert for stop loss. So like we are taking of JP Power. So currently I am putting alert. If you want to put alert on hourly chart, ma'am, then you need to select our hourly chart and
Okay.
then put alert. We need to put alert like crossing down. In place of price, select superhero advance. And
Okay.
in place of short one, you need to put AMA.
AMA. Okay.
And then
Okay.
need to select this once close per bar. So whenever the close will be below this, if you will pick any other, then every time when it will touch through the line, it will give alert. But we are preferring to exit when close is below that bar. So we need to select the close below this bar. And here you need to select send email. If you want to direct this on any website, you can, or notify or pop-up. So notify in app means whenever you downloaded this app in your
भाई
mobile.
यार तुमसे पहले भी कई बार कही है, पड़ोस में रहते हो यार, हाथ ना जोड़ा.
So when notification you are selecting this notify in app, you will get a notification in your mobile itself. So immediate notification will be there, and looking at the notification in mobile, you can exit your position and just create it. So you need to select the notification where you want notification. If you want in email, the notification will come into the email also.
Okay. Okay.
So wherever you want, if you want to play sound also, then beep sound will continuous pop up. You will get continuous beep sound. So
एक
if
बार
you want,
सेटिंग का वापस एक बार दिखाओ ना सेटिंग.
okay, setting
नहीं
with
नहीं
this.
हाँ only this that is okay.
Okay. So first you need to select the time frame of the chart. If you want to set on hourly chart, then select hourly chart. So by default, it will come hour chart. Then you need to select crossing down. In place of price, you need to select superhero advance. You need to put AMA and once per bar and just create. It will create it. If you want to create on daily chart, just select the daily chart. Remaining step will remain same. JP Power, hourly chart, crossing down, superhero advance, AMA line, once per bar, and create. So we will automatically get alert, and alert log will be come here. So all this alert, active alert will be here, and whatever alert is triggered, you will get list. Like I had mentioned yesterday, solar industries I have exited. Even I got alert, superhero is giving exit, I am exited. So here I have exited.
Incoming voice call from Devnanjan Singh on SIM office.
Hello.
Okay, Bhupendra. Thank you.
So up to here, anyone has any query or question? Anyone?
हेलो
Okay.
भूपेंद्र जी
तो-
हेलो
Yeah.
मेरी आवाज आ रही है सर
हाँ आ रही है.
हाँ अभी मेरे माइक का कुछ इश्यू था सर मुझे ना ये सुपर हीरो के जो नंबर्स दिख रहे हैं ना मेरे इसमें बहुत ज्यादा दिख रहे हैं सर तो आप प्लीज अपनी सेटिंग दिखा सकते हो
Okay. See, we need
ये
to go to the setting part.
इनपुट्स में जाइए प्लीज कुछ कम करना है इसमें से क्या
No, this there no any change.
नथिंग टू बी डन राइट
Nothing to be do change. Only we need to deselect this label.
ओके
Only deselect this label. We need to change the shape.
ओके गॉट इट
Remaining
above
will
bar
be.
and okay
So this is it. This is what I want to show in case of superhero advance. So if anyone has any query or any doubt related to superhero advance,
सर इसमें जो टाइम फ्रेम का होता है तो एक्चुअली इसमें जो होता है कि स्टॉक आप बताते हो तो टाइम फ्रेम के अकॉर्डिंग अलग अलग चेंज करके डे का है या 1 आवर्स का है तो कौन से स्टॉक में किस टाइम पे फ्रेम पे लेना है जैसे इंट्रा डे है या फिर शॉर्ट टर्म है लॉन्ग टर्म है तो टाइम फ्रेम का क्या होता है इसमें
time frames depend what kind of trade you want to take actually. If you are finding any setup, good setup on hourly chart, you are getting a stop loss less than 3%, then prefer to go on hourly chart. If the same chart on the daily time frame is showing 8% stop loss, but on hourly chart it is showing 3%, so prefer to go with the lesser this risk.
तो
Maybe
सर
hourly chart
बेस्ट
3%.
टाइम फ्रेम कौन सा है डे का है या 1 आवर्स
It depends how much time you can spend in front of a screen. I am sitting full 8 hours in front of a screen, so I most of the time I am preferring hourly chart. But if you are not able to sit in front of a screen full the time, then day chart will be better. But in that time, in day chart, you need to take appropriate risk also. The risk should be limited one. If we see this point here, if someone is taking position, then his stop loss will be around 5%. Here, the stop loss could be around 1%. So what will be the best position? To take position here or take position here?
या
So definitely where the low risk is there, we need to take position there. Then regardless of time frame, if I say in this particular stock, I took position here on the day hour chart and I exited here. So if you are able to put more and more time in front of a screen, then prepare hourly chart. Otherwise, day chart is okay, but in day chart, you need to think for the risk. What percentage of risk you want to take? You want to take 3% risk, 5% risk, or 10% risk.
ओके सर
So it will depend on the percentage of risk you want to take. Based on that, you can select the chart also. Clear on the time frame?
सर
So now we will have discussion on the superhero reversal. So in superhero reversal, we don't need to do many settings. We just need to select the superhero reversal, then click onto the day chart, and at the bottom side, we need to click on the year. So when it will come, the support and the top range will be automatically formatted. So this bottom side is where the most of the big investor has accumulated this particular stock. So this is the best range to invest. After that, this is the second best range, which we know this as a POC, point of control, where most of the trade, after this point, the most of the trade has happened here. So this was the good position to enter. This was the resistance level. Now this point has been become resistance level. So this is the simple. So whenever you want to take trade, just put this day chart, put 1 hour. Now if you want to check it on the hourly chart, no need to do any change in the setting, just convert into the 1 hour chart, and the range will be automatically changed. Now this stock may came up to POC line or may take it reverse from here. We don't know. But unless and until we will get entry as per our superhero advance, we will not take position in this. So for superhero reversal, we just need to these two settings. First, need to select day chart and do the 1 hour setting. And if you are taking position here, this part will be your resistance level, and this range will be a profit booking range. If you are taking position somewhere here, it may change, it may can give a breakout, but whatever this blue frame is coming, this blue framing is coming based on the last 1 year's data. If stock will give breakout, this blue line can, this blue background can become larger also. But if we are taking trade here or somewhere here, so this point should be our target range. Here we need to book.
सर your blue area है ये resistance है.
Yeah, this is resistance based on the last 1 year's price action movement, where the most of the time investor has sold the stock. So this entire blue area will be work as a resistance, and this first
Orange
blue line
bottom.
will be support, first support, and this orange line, orange will be the deep
Bottom.
support, bottom support.
भूपेंद्र, अगर पीआई इंडस्ट्री का भी देखेंगे तो कैसा दिख रहा है आपका इधर वो?
PI industries.
वो सेंटर में डांस कर रहा है एक्चुअली.
Yeah, it is on the POC. Actually, here I have suggested 1 day prior to the result, then it has given 3 to 4%. But again, so it is consolidating near to the POC. But yesterday some good reporters came regarding this stock, and they have given target of 4,100, and our POC is also coming to the 4,000. Sorry, our blue line stop is also coming to the 4,100. So possibly this stock can go up to here.
No, but ये जो situation है now, you see it is just consolidating at POC.
Yeah.
So when we should take a decision to take a trade?
On hourly chart, simply, sir, if it is crossing above the superhero, and simple follow the hourly chart. Here they have took position, and yesterday I executed with no profit, no loss. Here prior to that prior to this result, I have shared here that tomorrow is the result and it may surprise. And I have executed at the day of result. I make almost 2%. That is not good enough compared to the other trade I did. But on hourly chart we can play. On hourly chart, this 3760 will be working as a resistance, and if this will grow, then 4,100 is possible.
So Bhupendra, it means whenever the stock is consolidating or dancing within the blue color line,
Yeah.
so we need to take help of superhero.
Superhero advance,
Advance,
and we need to check for the crossover on the hourly chart.
Okay.
On the daily chart, frequent in out will be there. But on daily chart, I mean, so on the hourly chart, you will get good profit. Because it is nothing happening. On daily chart, it is just roaming here. So neither it is giving exit or not giving any kind of return. But in hourly chart, you may get 2%, 3% move every day.
Bhupendra ji, you are taking position in the morning as per your Excel sheet.
Yeah. Last week, ma'am, I have not took any position because you have seen I have took two,
Yeah.
3 big trades. So last week there was no trade. That is why I was requesting everyone in the group at least share me some success or failure story so that we can discuss in our tomorrow session.
Okay. Okay.
But
No.
based on that only, and ma'am, actually I prefer to trade in my this watch list. Actually, I have made one watch list where I am getting a good return. There are list of volatile stock.
No, that watch list you're getting out of chart link or out of
Actually,
your
based on
Excel?
my past experience, ma'am, I have made this list where I am getting frequent in and out with good return.
Okay.
So based on that, I would just I am trading on the 1 hour chart. Like if you see this hours, I have not took position here, but if we see from here, this hours is continuously just given one exit here. Otherwise, so these are the some stock which I have kept in my watch list, which are normally give 5 to 10% return in no time.
Okay. So your aim is 5 to 10% only or above that also?
No, 5 to 10% only. If lucky enough to get trade like HL or this solar, then it is okay. Otherwise, up to 5 to 7% is okay. If we can convert 4 or 5 trade of 5%, we can make 20% of our capital easily in month.
But
If we
for
can
this,
rotate 4 cycle.
for this, we should be glued to the screen or we should be alert. End of the day, we cannot decide, right?
Yeah.
Uh,
Or sometime I will also take from the alert also. Like yesterday, the stock I shared this one Orient, that was came into our alert only, and then I have converted into the monthly chart, and then I took past messages also. So in past message also I've seen that this stock was I had shared earlier also. So sometime I am looking here also. Like Pakka was come yesterday also, but last time I burned my hand in Pakka. So I have not took position in Pakka. But other stocks like it is here, Orient was here.
No, do you prefer the stocks that are coming in the beginning or somewhere in the middle?
Then if I am getting any stock here by 9:30 with 5 to 6% up, then I prefer to take position because then those stock normally give upper circuit.
Okay.
So if I prefer to take position in the morning before 10 on the hourly chart if it is meeting my 3% risk.
Okay. Okay.
Like this KPIT I said yesterday. So this chart was also good. But it is on daily chart is looking good actually. So it may go up to this level. It is written from POC and now it is getting stabilized. So
This is daily chart.
Yeah, daily chart. And we can get target of this 1750. Or
Right.
at least up to the center of POC will be there. So 5% is possible.
So do we prefer a larger band or thinner band is better to enter?
Thinner band at top size is better to enter. Because in larger band, we don't know from where this stock will come back. So the thinner band at the top side is preferably good.
Okay. Okay.
Like
Thank you.
Stock is this SPAR. Yesterday it has given Sun Pharma advance. As you see, now the top end, but now just it is consolidating and giving good entry actually. And after a long time, this is crossed and settled above AML line. So you can consider this stock. And you can get at least 325 rupees as a target. POC will be minimum target.
Okay.
बट भूपेंद्र स्पार्क कहाँ पे आया, स्क्रीन पे आया था स्पार्क?
मैंने ये बहुत दिन पहले आया था तब मैंने इसे यहाँ पे 238 के आसपास शेयर किया था बट इट वाज इन माय वॉच लिस्ट सो आई वाज वाचिंग इट let it settle above this AMA line. And yesterday it is settled above AMA line. So yesterday I had booked lot many positions. So maybe tomorrow if it will not open at 5% upper circuit, I will prefer to take a small position.
That is Sun
But if-
Pharma or Spark?
Sun Pharma Advanced Research Center, it is the part of Sun Pharma. So whatever the research and development activities done by Sun Pharma is taken care by this subsidiary company of Sun Pharma. So they are dedicatedly doing the research work for Sun Pharma only.
But this
if you
should
see here also, na, so-
this should appear in our scanner, no? This
Scanner,
like
it was appear almost here at 238 level, and you can see my message was also there. This is at the bottom. So around 238 rupees, it was came into our screener in reversal. Now it may come again once this will start to move again.
But if we see the DI and ADX, actually it is not
It is
meeting
not
our
there.
criteria.
It is also not giving the position. So as mentioned, we can take a small position because we see the sharp up move into the DI. So it will take very hardly 2 or 3 days. It will come down and it will go above
Yeah,
like
yeah,
here. So then it will take very fast move. If you see this point,
yes, yes.
then it will continuously give you the 5 to 6 circuits and it may come up to this level. Or we
Okay.
can exit with the MS. So if we see at this position, the stop loss is hardly 8 rupees. So 4% risk is there.
Okay, okay.
भूपेंद्र जी एक क्वेश्चन है मेरा. हेलो,
Yes, yes, बोलिए.
ये जो EMA की लाइन से ग्रीन एंड ये रेड,
Yes.
तो आइडियली वी शुड वेट टिल क्रॉसिंग द रेड लाइन, जैसे ये केस में है फॉर एग्जांपल इधर.
See the best condition to take trade is this one. Are you getting this?
यानी AMA क्रॉसिंग द
AMA
रेड
is
लाइन.
also crossed. GMMA green lines is above the red lines.
ओके,
This DI positive line cross DI negative line. So this is the best position to take trade. But when you are trying to trade above the against the system or against the market, then you need to think like this also.
ओके,
Then you need to take trade based on only single indicator. Maybe on hourly chart. On hourly chart, the green line has crossed the red line also, and this DI positive has also crossed this DI negative. But
Okay,
on hourly
okay.
chart, the target is very near. We cannot say very near. 280 is also big. 60 rupees target is also big. So on hourly chart, it is meeting our requirement. On daily, it is not meeting our requirement.
भूपेंद्र जी,
Yes, sir.
ये मुझे मिल नहीं रहा है. रिवर्सल वाला सेटिंग एक बार बताएंगे क्या? मैं जस्ट लैपटॉप में भी हूँ पैरेलल.
Okay. So, are you having the access of superhero reversal in invite only?
नहीं, I think I don't have.
So just put your this TradingView ID on the group, sir. I will arrange the same. So
Yeah,
once,
okay.
once you will get the superhero reversal indicator,
Huh?
just select that indicator, select the day chart, and click onto the year. Then this setting will be done automatically. I'm just showing you, like I did like this. Okay. And
Okay.
just I put onto the day chart and year chart. The system will automatically work and it will change your setting. So this top line will be your resistance and the bottom was your support line. And if you are catching stock at the bottom, the first possible target is this POC line.
Down the side.
In the center, you are getting this one big
Yeah.
line. So this will be
It should
your,
cross. Okay.
if you are taking
Down.
from the bottom, this could be your first target. After that, the bottom portion of this blue portion, and then the POC of the blue portion, and then this. So we will have 4 targets if you are taking position from the bottom. So just send me your TradingView ID, sir. I will arrange the
Yeah, I'll after that can do.
भूपेंद्र जी, बजाज फाइनेंस का एक बार देखेंगे, बजाज फाइनेंस गुड टू इंटर.
Bajaj Finance 1 year. So it is just now it may go up to POC, sir. 7190 is possible. But being FNO stock, you need to see the open interest in this particular stock, what kind of source has been created by the traders. But you can take on the hourly chart. In such cases, just follow the hourly chart on Super Hero Advance. So it is just close below. So you can wait, or you can set an alert when the stock will start moving above the AMA line. You can take position.
ओके. तो और एक था पॉइंट, कोफोर्ज में व्हाई यू एग्जिटेड, और maybe you find it will go down.
No, not the slowdown. Actually, I was getting continuous doji candles on hourly chart. See, the continuous doji candles was there and movement was not there. So I had exited. And at the last, this sudden price was down. So I am not preferring to keep money either. I need such fast move and exit.
Okay. Because I am holding, so I was curious.
It may move again because prior to this, my exit candle, the triangle was there. But my limit was over. So either I need to book some profits or I need to deposit some money into my account. I was playing on MTF. So I prefer to book.
Because all IT stock, no, last 2 days,
Yeah.
maybe showing downward trend, almost all.
Yeah, most of the things. Only this persistence is looking some promising. The rest all are like this only. Because it is not moved since long, so it is just there itself. Otherwise, most of the stock is giving correction.
It's on the POC line.
Yeah, it is on the POC line. On day chart, it is on the POC. It is just hovering there.
Right.
But now, just for curiosity, when you go for hourly chart on reversal, this thing indicator.
Yeah.
So what is the range? How many maybe days the range is there? See, in case of 1 year, it is the full 1 year, upper circuit and lower circuit. Maybe I can say upper limit and lower limit.
Yeah,
When
52
you
week
go
high
for
and
hourly
52 week
chart,
low.
huh?
52 week high and 52 week low, both will be come here.
That is 1 hour. But
Yeah.
when you go for 1 day, when you go for 1 hour, what is the range in this case?
Last 220 candles. Actually, it is calculating, I think 220 or 252 candles. So it will just calculate those last, I think 224 candles. So it will automatically change to 250, 224 candles. And the chart will change like that only.
220, that means around 5 months.
No, 1 year, sir. We have 22 working, 22 or 24 trading sessions. So max to max 250.
No, but if I say 1 hour, if you select there 1 hour,
Then it will be the similar 250 candles will be there. The number of candle is present here. The same number of candle will be in hourly chart.
acha.
Number of candle will remain same. That I will exactly tell you tomorrow the number of candle. I need to do some.
So roughly 3 months. 3 months lower and upper maybe range.
If we consider for 1 hour, then 250 hours. So around 1 month range will be there. Then we can take also like this.
Okay.
1 hour. So this is the first candle is of
सर कल मैंने आपसे हुडको पे
1
चर्चा की
April
थी,
to 10
एक बार
year.
हुडको का के बारे में कुछ जानकारी दीजिएगा सर.
हुडको सर जब तक मोदी जी है तब तक हुडको चलता रहेगा.
सर मैं वैल्यू मेरे पास ये लॉन्ग टर्म से रखा हुआ था, लॉन्ग टर्म पर्सपेक्टिव से रखा हुआ था,
Yes.
तो मैंने इसके वैल्यूएशन चेक किए तो ये ओवर वैल्यूड था, इसीलिए मैं इसमें से निकल गया।
Sir, actually, result was very good actually. So that you need to again recalculate that valuation. The yesterday's EPS done by this company, and then again the P ratio will get changed. Prior to yesterday's result, definitely it was overvalued, but after yesterday's result, again the value has come to the normal.
चलिए मैं जाकर के चेक करता हूँ, स्क्रीन वगैरह पे ही देख।
We can check, sir, here. Not a, we can open this report on here. And now it is on 24 PE, sir. So
हाँ, ये ज्यादा तो नहीं है निकलने के बाद देखा मैंने ये सब।
yes, sir. And if you see yesterday's result, the quarterly result. So again, 3 rupees has been added into the P EPS. So automatically from 8 rupees it has become 10 rupees. So definitely it is to, if this 25% jump has been done EPS, so 25% movement will be there into the stock. Looking at the current PE, sir. And if
आप
we,
इसका इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू देखिए ना, इसकी एक कॉलम, एक वो भी डाल के देखिएगा, एडिट रेशियोज में
it is
जाइएगा।
showing
अच्छा ये
90
देखिए,
rupees, sir. It is
और
showing
उसका
90
अभी
rupees.
वैल्यू चल रहा है करीब करीब 259।
We cannot trust on this, sir. There are many stocks which are trading on 1000 plus rupees, and the intrinsic value is coming on 100 rupees, 200 rupees, like this RIR, which
सर
are
वो
there today. Now see, RIR is trading on 1700 rupees. It is giving intrinsic value of 290 rupees. So either this system is smart enough, or the investor who is doing investment at 1600 rupees.
सर दीज आर स्पेकुलेटिव रिटर्न्स। 200 रुपीज इज दैट ऑन बेस्ड ऑन इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू।
Yes,
तो लाइक इंट्रिंसिक वैल्यू कंपनी की है 200 रुपीज पर शेयर, 290 रुपीज, राइट?
yes, right.
एंड पीपल हैव और हुसएवर रिटेलर कहिए या
Yes.
मैं उनको वो कहता हूँ, तो उनकी वजह से इसका रेट बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया। आप इसका चार्ट देखिए, इस तरीके से बढ़ा, तो ऐसा क्या कंपनी में परफॉर्मेंस आ गया है? आप इसका चार्ट देखिए सर।
देखा मैंने सर, वो एक ही महीने में जो हुआ है अप्रैल में
हाँ,
ही हुआ है.
तो एक महीने के अंदर ऐसा क्या तूफान चल गया?
Might be some this personal investor or someone else came there, that we can check from this actually what has happened in the month of April actually. Technical acquisition, January में उसकी acquisition का redemption हुआ है shares का in August. Possibly
सर
this semiconductor story is there, sir, nothing else.
सर
तो
इसका मैंने
अप्रैल
पहले भी
महीने में
पुराना भी आप
semiconductor
चार्ट
का
देखिए
जो,
ना, पीछे का जाके भी देखिए, तब भी ऐसे अब्रप्टली कहीं ना कहीं बहुत ज्यादा बढ़ गया था
yes,
इसका। मैंने हाँ, इससे पीछे जाके मतलब कई काफी टाइम पहले जा करके मैंने देखा।
यहाँ
हाँ,
पे
यहाँ
भी
ये
suddenly हुआ
देखिए,
था. Yes.
है ना, तो
Then it
एकदम
is
कितना बढ़ गया।
consolidated. Again, sir, अप्रैल में जो ये आया था ना स्टोरी, सेमीकंडक्टर स्टोरी,
हाँ जी।
when Tata Group and every share of semiconductor like SPA and Microchip, most of the shares run like this only in April, like this most chip. The same semiconductor story was there in the April. See this. So whatever stocks related with the semiconductor, all ran in this period. And see the volume. Now these stocks are, if you see this most chip, it is showing 19 rupees as a value and it is trading on 138 rupees. And see the stock P. So this was
कोई ना,
only
स्टॉक
this
भी
April month
क्लियरली
was
इंडिकेट कर। सर इसका पी रेशियो पे क्लिक करिए सर,
P
जो
ratio
पी
is
रेशियो का चार्ट है।
262.
नॉट दिस, दैट चार्ट।
Here, na? It was close above.
ये तो आपने प्राइस पे, पी रेशियो पे। अब देखिए सर इसका पी रेशियो कितनी अब्रप्टली वेरी कर रहा है। सो ये पी रेशियो सर इतनी तेजी से आप और हम नहीं चेंज कर सकते, ये मेरा कहना था।
तो वो नहीं कर सकते, मैं बोला ना सर, अप्रैल में जो सेमीकंडक्टर स्टोरी चला था ना,
हाँ जी।
वो सेमीकंडक्टर स्टोरी में जितने भी सेमीकंडक्टर के शेयर थे एक महीने में डबल हुए थे.
अच्छा,
This is one,
ठीक है।
then SPEL, I think, yes, Spell Semiconductor. Same story, April month. See, in
ये
April
तो
from
फैब से ही बढ़ने लग गया
110,
था, 9
102,
फैब से।
154.
और सर वॉल्यूम देखिए, बिना वॉल्यूम जहां पर ड्राई अप हो रहा है,
Yes, you see here, nothing was there. This was the first when this Corona period was there and some story was running. Highest trading was there in the Corona period. The stock has become like anything. Now we go for 5 years. See, this is the Corona period actually, when semiconductor shortage was there. So without knowing the fundamental, it's called semiconductor. Semiconductor shortage is there. Now see how this stock has moved from here, from 15 rupees up to 95 rupees. 6x
Exactly.
become in
6
no
times.
time. 6 times in no time. This was the
Ah.
era of when this Corona was there and all the automotive and this electronics communication companies were struggling for getting semiconductor. This
Yes.
company was not even making any semiconductor, but as the name is suggesting semiconductor, this stock has become 6x in no time. Then people
Because of
realized,
scarcity of semiconductors.
yeah, this was the Corona period when semiconductor was not available. If you see the Mosif also here, Mosif also has given the same kind of return that time.
सर मैं भी सर एक दुकान खोल लेता हूँ, नाम रख लेता हूँ लेडार कंपनी. लेडार इज
Yes. See the Mosif in here. So Mosif was
right.
trading in 13 rupees in the same era. From
Right,
13
sir.
rupees, it reached to 87 rupees, 6x. Whether they are able to make semiconductor or not, that is not an issue. The semiconductor was in their
बस.
label. So the April was also the same case, semiconductor. India is going to become a semiconductor hub. So whatever companies are there in with the name of semiconductor, run behind those companies. So sometimes we need to catch such a running train and we need to jump again before we reach to the station, sir.
It's understood.
भूपेंद्र जी,
Yes,
हेलो,
sir. Yes.
ये जो स्कैनर है कंपाउंडिंग फंडा का, वंस एनी स्टॉक कम्स इन द स्कैनर, तो उस वक्त हमारी क्या एक्शन होना चाहिए?
Okay. Yeah. Good question. So now we have total 5 screens here.
यस,
Correct. So these two screeners, you need to use this superhero advanced indicator. Superhero advanced indicators for these two
Okay.
indicators, and you need to check your risk and reward. If we see this ARM, correct, Amra Raja. So Amra Raja is currently trading with our. In case of Amra Raja, the stop loss is coming at 11.55 on daily chart, and the stock price is trading at 1210. So around 5% risk is there. So if it is meeting your risk reward ratio, or if you are comfortable with losing 5%, then you can take position, or you can wait to come near to the AMLI. Like this stock I had shared somewhere here also, and that time also I suggested it could be give good return, but don't take more position. Just take half position and half you need to wait when you get reversal kind of thing. So
okay.
For these two screens, you need to take with superhero advance, where the stock is lying and how much is the risk reward. Similar way for these three screens, superhero pullback, bottom support, and superhero reversal, you need to check with superhero reversal indicator along with superhero advance on hourly chart. If you are finding reversal on hourly chart only, then only take position. Otherwise, wait to close this stock close above the our AML line. In these three, need to use that whether the stock is near to the POC or at the bottom or at the top itself.
Got it.
So, any more questions? Can we close?
Okay, sir.
Thank you everyone. Thank you
सर
Yes,
वो
Ruben, sir.
शेयर करिएगा